everybody. So I'm down here and the blueberry season is getting ready to begin. We've got the machines all set. We've got to break them all down. It's all together like that right now. And we gotta break this one. This one's already broke down. And we've got to put them on trailers, and then we've got to move them to the fields. And then we got to break this one down and move that one to the field. And this is what I'm going to be doing for the next month or so, harvesting blueberries. I'm going to try to get as much footage as I can. Can't guarantee what I'm going to get because I'm going to be busy. But I'm going to try to get as much footage as I can and post some shorts. And hopefully you guys enjoy. And yeah, we'll see what happens. So enjoy. Unloading a harvester. Woo. We've made it out here to the blueberry field, but I gotta pay attention. Tractor number 1 unloaded. Woo! All right, we'll see ya. Big old blueberry field. Woo! Fun, fun. I'll get more footage when I can. All right, right now we gotta do a breakdown of those heads. Take them off like this so that we can load them to take them over to the field because they can't all stay on the tractor. So we're gonna move that and do that right now. And like I said, folks, we're breaking busy, so I'm trying to get some footage when I can. But I gotta be on deck to help him when he needs help. Tractor number 2. Made it with all the heads for the raking of the blueberries. We're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. See ya. All right, folks, we're getting ready to take this, the loader, been a long day, and pick these back up, put them back on the ground, and then bring the tractor over and put them all back together. And then we're gonna do the same to that one. And then they'll be all set and ready to go. So, and then we gotta put fuel on them at some point. So yeah, see ya. All right, sorry about the clips the way they are, but super busy. Got 2 of them off. This is for the other tractor. We got them over here. And we got both of them off, kind of got them lined up. Had to put this bar on. And then now we're gonna bring the tractor over and set all this stuff up. After all the work I did, it's working. Well, hello guys, welcome. All right, today is the first actual day of harvesting the blueberries. I got a few little things left to do on this tractor. I just had to fix some wiring. Then I got to change some gear oil, stuff like that. And then we should be getting out there, It's gonna be fun. So once we get going and I can get time to get more footage, I'm gonna do that. So enjoy, and we'll see you soon. Well, hey, what's going on? So I've been working on a tractor all day. Keep having little things that keep a little electrical problem. It's making certain things not work in sequence like they should. And every time I get ready to change it, as you can hear, it starts downpouring. So I've been trying and trying. I'm soaked, covered with grease, and now we're dealing with rain again. And my camera's fogging up. It's a little better. So probably gonna continue this video into tomorrow. But we got a bunch of berries harvested. Like 4 stacks. So that's pretty good. So I guess we'll see you tomorrow when it's not raining, so I can actually do something. See ya.
They used to hear in the tractor.
Oh, there's a deer down there. He sees us now.
Yeah. He's going, what the fuck are you guys doing here? I don't care if you're here or not. I'm hungry. I want some berries.
And that's my aunt, the narrator. Don't mind her language.
Sorry.
It runs in the family.
It sure does.
You guys never met my grandfather, you'd understand.
Okay, he don't give a crap. He's just going to stand right there and eat the berries. I wonder if it's the same one. Is he missing a tine?